my name is Krevis with Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to the Townhouse in the Sky at 242 East 19th Street, apartments 13A and 14AB. Enjoy the tour. This expansive, recently renovated duplex apartment is filled with brilliant sunlight and vast city views. Enter the striking glass-enclosed foyer into a massive living dining room with a Chesney marble fireplace, hand-painted finished walls, herringbone oak floors, oversized custom sun-filled windows, and a half bathroom. Walk through to the high-end chef's kitchen and breakfast room that includes a Blue Star oven, a 5-burner Wolf cooktop, a Sub-Zero refrigerator, custom-built shelves, and a fireplace. The entry floor also includes the corner southeast-facing primary bedroom with ensuite bath, 2 more bedrooms, one of which is currently configured as a dressing room, and another full bathroom. Descend to the lower level and you will find a large den with decorative fireplace and a pantry and kitchenette. The corner bedroom here includes a large ensuite bathroom. This floor includes 2 more bedrooms, one is currently configured as an office, as well as another bathroom. 242 East 19th Street was built in 1928 and has a full-time doorman, living superintendent. Amenities include a landscape common roof deck, a rear yard zen garden, 24-hour laundry, bicycle, and storage space. It is in close proximity to the Union Square hub with access to 4, 5, 6 N, R, W, and Q trains. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please contact me and we'll schedule an appointment. Thanks.